nyuma ya show ya Meru kwethira kirugurua ni kumbita kwethira kukiza antu baba inge kenine giki na gutigira antu ni bombita kweja kwethira bakithoma njira cia urimi iri tigirite gavana wa Meru Kinyango nombita kwethira gikinya kenine giki gutigira na kuona nimbi Ameru bakwethira bakithithia Joseph Mithamo roro ngamerete Tea Factory ya Mishimikoro Kinyango nombeta kwethira gitutariria niki majani ja KTDA jabatere kwethira ja kigurwa na kwethira kiuga kinyari min bombeta kwethira bakigunuka nikimera giki kira kiombete kwethira gikendwa na reti nene ndene enthiguru Kenya na ome.
My name is Joseph Mithamo, in charge of field services in Mishimikoro Tea Factory. We are here to exhibit as KTDA to showcase the activities that we undertake in the field and also in the factories. It is a good opportunity to really demystify KTDA, ensure our farmers that we are doing the right thing, and they are supporting them in terms of new technologies, new innovations, like when we come to the field, the pruning machines, the plucking shears, we really assist the farmers increase their productivity and reduce, of course, production costs. When it comes now to the factory, our processing units, we are now able to move to a new level where there's continuous withering. Continuous withering, there's a proper managed process. It is effective, more efficient, and the quality of the withered leaf becomes consistent and it can be able to produce better quality teas. When you go to the other sections, you'll find our ability to produce power and also machinery spare parts through our KTDA Power and TEMEC, which is able now to produce the spare parts for our machinery. When you look at the global picture, KTDA is making a greater impact in terms of what you would call greater efficiency to the farmer. We are looking at aspects of reduction of costs. We are looking at aspects where we can increase productivity. We can be able to increase our revenue base by ensuring that we diversify in terms of our products.
Gavana wa Meru Kirito Murungi akiaria norete antu bara bombeta kwethira bakiandikwa ni maobisi mwanya kinyabongo gutigira ndi bagwatithania na ngugi cia urimi tontu to umba kwethira gikaro obisi na gitare nene lakini ngugi